So, the DJI Neo. Here's a question. What happens if it crashes into something when it's following you? Well, let's find out. So we'll run a variety of different tests into glass, into walls, into trees, and we'll see just how good this thing can hold up.
Mr. Black.
And real quick, welcome to the channel, and if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you especially like Neo stuff, make sure you hit that like button. YouTube will keep feeding it to you. So let's get this thing up and let's see what happens. Here we go. This is follow mode.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Yikes. All right, so the first test with the glass, that was shocking. I did not know it was gonna freak out. So it freaked out, went up, hit the top, and then just somehow still went inside the window. That was kind of interesting. But as hard of a fall as that was, everything is still intact. The even the camera motor thing is still working great. Battery didn't pop out. So that's good. That was a hard fall too, but let's test this out again. Let's see if it will follow me through. I'm expecting it to hit the door this time, but we'll see what happens. All right, the second test, actually trying to make it crash was one of the hardest things. Like, it was doing a really good job knowing where to follow me, and then if it didn't, it just kind of stopped and hovered in place. But then when it did, it finally like start freaking out because it was seeing me through the glass, but wasn't able to go forward anymore. It just kind of like stops and just dies right where it is. But still, even after that fall, there's nothing wrong with it. It looks really good. So now I guess we'll have to try it hitting trees, but I have a feeling it's gonna be the same result.
Dronie.
Big jump. So there you have it. Even with trees, listen, it's gonna run into things, and when it does, it's gonna fall and go down. So just be a little bit wary of that when you're flying it, when it's doing follow me mode, is that it could go down, and if you're in a spot like where you don't want it to fall, just make sure you keep an eye on it. But other than that, I mean, the quality of this thing, especially because it's kind of like a plastic build, it is phenomenal. It's strong. It's holding up, and especially at that price point, this is a really cool little drone, and I can't wait to take it to more places and test it out. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you what happens if it runs into something and freaks out, and hopefully you got something out of this. And if you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I would appreciate that a lot. Other than that, links to everything are down in the description. So if you want to check out this thing or even some more cool DJI stuff, you can actually even see some of the videos that are on the screen. Click on one of those, and I'll see you next time.